Hello everyone, how to do some back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to remove your watermark using Yodayo. So if you have watermark on your image, then you can easily remove it. So first of all, you need to go and Google and browser like Google browser, Google Chrome. It's really good. So you can do it your mobile also. So what you need to do, you need to create your account, then click here, left of corner is a three line, so click here image tool, and you can see here remove watermark. Simply click here. So now you have to choose the image that you want to generate. So I just keep it in this website, but it's too large, you need to. So I already uh, uploaded image that has the copyright issue, like it's the watermark issue. So if you see here, I give these images, so you can see here it's the watermark included. So let's see what's the result.